Welcome to another video wherein we will go ahead and explain you how can you punish if the opponent plays scholar's mate attempt on you. So the position starts with normal pawn to e4, replies back with pawn to e5, and then he moves the queen to h5. White's plan here is to go ahead and pressure that pawn on f7 and also try to attempt and take this pawn on e5, and then you can just protect your pawn by moving your knight and developing it. Now they would most of the time move their bishop c4 and attack this pawn at f7. Then you can just move your pawn ahead and protect that. But white would not stop here. They would also want to push their queen to a safe position and also focus on that f7 pawn. So they would move back to f3. Now in this position you can just develop your knight and be happy. But if they want to proceed and try for that scholar's mate again, they would just move their pawn ahead, and the next move for them would be to move their pawn ahead and threaten a take on knight. And if you move, then it's a checkmate. But you can just ignore that and push your knight ahead to d4, attacking the queen right there. Now queen has very limited spaces to move. So the best option for white is to move back to its original position, and that's what they do. But after that, you can just push your pawn ahead, try to gain center control, and also open up your bishop placed on c8. Now if he takes back, you can just take the pawn back and attack its queen directly. Now the only option for white to protect the queen is by moving the pawn ahead or maybe by the knight. But if he decides to move the pawn ahead, then he is gone. You can easily just push your knight ahead, making him feel that he has a fork. However, he cannot take the knight, because if he takes the knight, then you can just take his queen. So he would take the bishop right here. But then you have this brilliant move, that is queen to h4 check. The only option for white here is to move the queen to this square, that is f1, and after that you can just push your queen to this f2 pawn, checkmate. So this is how you can play if your opponent tries to go ahead and checkmate you with a scholar's mate. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.